We have a beautiful red and white two-tone 1956 Ford Fairlane here at Skyway Classics. Gorgeous condition, as you can see from the exterior. Paint's in fantastic condition. I'd give it probably about a 7 or 8. It's on the upper driver side of the spectrum. And something that I find really cool is he's got these little dice as his covers for the air. But man, gorgeous car, really solid. And those white walls, oh, so darn pretty. So as you can see, I mean, fairly flawless car on the outside. She does have a few blemishes here and there, like you would expect on any car. Especially considering how it's a 56. I mean, this thing's like almost, what, 62 years old? But it's in fantastic condition. She runs strong. Before we take it for a spin, let's go ahead and check out the interior. All right, as we approach the car, you can see these beautiful chrome pieces that are just in immaculate condition. So just taking a quick peek. So we got the famous large steering wheel that these old Fords had. Really nice interior. Let's go ahead and check the door jambs. Door opens nice. Door panel's in great shape as well. We have our plate, as well as, look at that, fantastic condition. No rust, no chew, no bondo, no nothing in that door well. And look how close this thing shuts. Very nice indeed. So, taking a seat in it, we have the red and white two-tone to match the exterior of the car. Looks great. We have a little bit of an aftermarket here with the radio, but gorgeous car all around, really fun to drive. And speaking of that, let's go ahead and take her for a quick spin. All right, we got her at the end of the drive. Let's crank her up. Nice and strong. Let's put her into gear. And man, this thing is some fun cruising. We'll power through those gears for the 3-speed automatic. Shifts nice and smooth, as you just heard. A lot of fun to drive. Really straight. I'm gonna take my hand off the wheel and hit the brakes. Absolutely no pull on this thing. Fantastic car. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll put her up on the lift to show you the engine bay, the undercarriage, and we can really see what she's all about. All right, we got her hood open. Before we put her up in the air, let's take a peek. And she shows a fairly tidy engine bay. I love this, the C-Clear original bag. That's cool. But we have our 292 V8. That was the biggest engine that Ford offered back in the day for this vehicle. Beautiful car. We have a battery lead shut off there, but nice and tidy. Go ahead and take a look. I'll stop talking. You guys can just drink it in. All right, let's go ahead and put her up in the air. All right, let's go down below and see what we can see. So we have our front drums. Low pan looking nice and clean. Go ahead and give you more of a under look of the engine compartment. All in nice shape. Doesn't appear to be any welding, any rotting for that matter. That's probably more important. A little bit of surface crack and some gunk, but that's really normal. Very common. We have our back leaves. Actually, something I do want to mention is that we don't see any spacings for our friends up front on the springs, so they got some life left in them. They're not sagging, but nice and clean. We got our rear end here as well, and then we got those nice dual exhaust pipes. It's a very clean car. Let's go around back here. Kind of give you guys the turtle eye view. I got a big old flashlight here too, so when we get to the wheel wells, you'll be able to see in them. But here we go, some turtle eye view. Looks like there's a little blemish there in the paint. Chrome though is nice. And so let's actually take a peek. As you can see, no heebie-jeebies coming out, which is exactly what we don't want to see, which is great. Going around back, that chrome bumper's in great shape as well. I'll go ahead and slow down and get a close-up of it. Very nice. Also the taillights, man. I don't think I stopped, but these things are really pretty cool. Very interesting design. So again, I'm going to show you guys the door well here from underneath, just to show you how clean this really is. And last but not least, this other well. See all up in there. Really nice. We try to really be fair with the cars that we get in, the quality that they're at. And this one, it's all there. So let's go ahead and bring her down, and we'll get her being able to hear the exhaust from the exterior. Let's go ahead and crank her again. Give some fuel. There we go. You can see her at work. Put her nice and strong. Let's go ahead and hear that exhaust in the back. Deep gargle sounds awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching our video. You can find this car on our website, skywayclassics.com. Just go ahead and go to current inventory. If you're watching this and it's already been sold, it'll be in sold inventory. But other than that, hope to see you guys next time.